Hello, grade 2 students. Now we're going to solve the worksheet together. Let's start with exercise number 1. What can you see here? Is this animal a bird or not? First, this is a penguin, right? Is penguin a bird? And we have to justify why it's a bird or why it's not a bird. We all know that not all birds can fly. So a penguin is a bird because it has a beak and feathers. Now here, number 2, we have to read and complete the sentences using a word from the box. First, let's read the words together. We have lungs, scales, beaks, eggs, wings, fly, and feathers. Number 1, birds and fish lay lungs. No. Birds and fish lay eggs. Number 2, the body of a bird is covered with scales. Do you think? No, the body of a bird is covered with feathers. Number 3, birds don't have teeth. Yes, of course, they don't have teeth. They have beaks. Number 4, fish are covered with scales. Don't forget that fish are covered with disconnected scales. Number 5, not all birds can fly. For example, flamingo, duck, penguin, and let's say a peacock. Number 6, birds use their wings to fly. Number 7, birds breathe with using their lungs, of course. Let's move on. Number 3. In this exercise, we're going to complete the sentences about birds. The first one. Birds, they live on land and breathe with lungs. Let's move on. Their body is covered with feathers. They have to walk. What do they use to walk? They use their wings to walk? No. They have legs to walk and wings to fly. Now, we have to classify the animals into 5 groups. We learned about fish, birds, mammals, reptiles, and frog. Don't forget that frog is an amphibian. Let's start with mammals. Is snake a mammal? No. Bears are mammals, so we have to write letter C. Now, reptiles. What are the reptiles? What can you see here? We can see tortoise and snake. And we all know that a snake is a reptile and snake has no legs. Here we have amphibian. Is bird an amphibian? No, it's a frog. So let's write letter A. Fish. Can you see the fish here? Yes, we have 2 kinds of fish. We have a blowfish and a swordfish. So we have to write letter E and F. Now we have birds. Can you see the bird here? Here we have a parrot. So we have to write letter G. Now this is the last exercise. Let's name the animals described in each phrase. The first one, used to guard houses. What do you think? Do we use frogs to guard houses? No, dogs. Dogs are used to guard houses. Used to plow farm lands. Ox is used to plow farm lands. Used to make shoes and bags. Snake. We use snake to make shoes and bags. Used to transport man or materials. Of course, it's a donkey. Used to make wool items. Yes, it's a sheep. Used to transport man. It's the same as used to transport man or materials. So it's the same. We have to put donkey. The last one used for exercise. It's a horse. Great job, everyone.